Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply fix can't connect to EA servers error when trying to launch your EA application. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So it could be your internet's problem, or it could also be EA servers issue. So simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and search for EA server status. Just like that. Once you've done that, click on the first link, and as you can see, it says everything is online. So it is going to be your internet that is struggling. So what you want to do first thing is going to be going into network and internet settings, going into Ethernet. Make sure that you're connected with Ethernet and go to DNS server assignment. Click on edit. This is normally going to be in automatic for you. Turn that to manual, turn on IPv4, and then put your preferred DNS as 8.8.8.8 and your alternate DNS as 8.8.4.4 and click on save, and that is gonna simply fix all of your or most of your problem. However, if it still doesn't, what you want to do is go to command prompt, run as administrator, and just run this one command, which is going to be net sh winsock space reset, just like that, and just restart your PC and it'll be fixed. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.